Good morning, Legion. Today is the Eco Collab call in just a couple of hours. It will feature a nice walkthrough of Near Private Cloud's business thesis, an update on the Calyx Launchpad, and a look ahead at 2026 for the Near ecosystem. A couple of important stories today as we get back into the news cycle. First up, Trump says that Nvidia can sell H200s to China. This is an important story because it will be interesting to see the extent to which access to better GPUs in China change their overall AI strategy. To date, the Chinese model for AI has been to build cost-effective, open-source models that require significantly less compute than their Western counterparts. With this new opportunity, let's see how Chinese models evolve. Next up, a nice blog from Bology on how pop-ups are the new startups and IRL is the new URL. If you've been following the Legion events plan for 2026, you'll know we're well ahead of this trend, planning 10 pop-ups around the world in various cities. If you're looking to host a pop-up for the Near Legion, reach out to us. It's more important than you think, and our goal is to identify the right type of person to join different communities, build on Near, and become a fundamental part of our ecosystem. Read the full story link below for Bology's entire thesis. It's a good one. Last but not least, 2 days ago, Near announced achieving 1 million transactions per second. The big brains at Near 1, led by Bowen, have delivered on a huge technical milestone. For those of you asking, why does this matter? Think of it like this. With Near Intents becoming the universal liquidity layer, and with Near AI building out the foundations for private intent and agentic commerce, the Near blockchain is shaping up to become the universal superhighway for future AI commerce, intents, and the transfer of assets. 1 million transactions per second allows Near to sustain this vision on a long-term time horizon. Stick around, we'll do this all again real soon.